channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only.
It's like fucking sharks from this game, but one of they rappers is low-key a fag, they got the bill now. Teaming up against the troops was kinda a drive.
Never talk about the teams with all program.
Especially get out the way when I'm flicking, my eyes get big, my fingers start to itch. Me and 100 billion in the Civic. First when we see we gotta get a winner. Can't travel, stay on my pivot. Look at Boomer, dead in the ditches. Telly party, we had to edit. He jacking with some of my niggas will kill him like hold on. How you forget about Quay and Rich got shot, he got left on his face. But we tryna run, better pick up the pace. And I'm from the south, we kill her apes. She wanna fuck, look at his G come, he wanna run. Look at his G on birthday terms, he call out a rerun. 3-way fade, then I'll let him so oh and what? I let him know. Ain't that fool, they doing it bro. So 3 little more, you know that's the blow. And Flock on the rose, he more like a Porsche. She want me to wife her, but she's a hoe. I cannot stop once I get in that mirror. I see me an F on the strip on the blow. Veer to the curb, we bring it for low. LG Swoop, he saw the ghost. Yo, they glitz, I saw it, bro. Mayday, happy birthday to you, bro. If I was right there, would've gave you the pole. But you slow, so you had to go. TG crazy, we let niggas know. Smoking walk, he a flow. I said Aggie, get a roll. And these niggas, they know how to get. Adrenaline rushing, I'm ready to play. Who down that feet? I'm ready to push, I'm whooped up. I'm trying to send him the tricks. Gotta show him I ain't playing with kids. Gotta show him I'm rapping, I live. Gotta show Cody, go hit him again. Like next time, you going right with your friend. Mayday, we hit him up like a bit. You come back to life, we gon' kill him again. I ain't gon' stop, cause I ain't a soldier. 2 niggas sitting out, ain't leaning on shoulders. They already know job bus gon' go up. Tryna send bitches to knock niggas over, it ain't gon' work. Send us soon, not gon' get niggas hurt. Send on LeVay gon' make things worse. Do you wanna bump into this curse? Do you wanna get put in a hearse? Never heard this, we said it's gon' hurt. Guaranteed to get put on the shirt. We just maverick, showing like dirt. I was signed to the streets on dirt. For my name, I had to put us to work. Cash out every day like the first. And a car make a lift for the skirt. Job boss, yeah, I'm lit. First lady, nigga, you up the dick. You ain't kissing up, you got a dip. Axe 40, yeah, that's 10. Yeah, you him. Let it swim. Teach you crazy for the win. This bitch just get out the way when I'm flicking, my eyes get big, my fingers start to itching. Me and 100 billion in the Civic. First when we see we gotta get him. Can't travel, stay on my pivot. Look at Boomer, dead in the ditches. Telly party, we had to end it. He jacking with some of my niggas gon' kill him. This bitch just get out the way when I'm flicking, my eyes get big, my fingers start to itching. Me and 100 billion in the Civic. First when we see we gotta get him with him. Can't travel, stay on my pivot. Look at Boomer, dead in the ditches. Telly party, we had to end it. He jacking with some of my niggas gon' kill him.
Fuck Jersey, fuck Aggie, fuck Boomer, fuck Breezy, fuck all of them. Anything niggas always rockin', man. Nah, just birthday boy, niggas. Something, they gon' get cool, man. Especially with big, bro. Nah, you big. What am I dead to a victim? Especially if they got shot out of tough guys. Fuck, nigga. John out of my head, nigga. G-Swerve right on your fucking birthday. Don't get you some ass, nigga. Fucking bustin', niggas fucking shit. Pussy.
I'm about to go on the post. Niggas, you know. Just picking out past when you roll. Nigga, lost most died on that scene on my bro. Nigga, AB got hit in his cap. Say try to run it, got turned to a crab. It's a party, they block what the fuck with they like. Nigga, bogey, I don't creep, so I got him on time. Black beat spinning through the ops, tell him slow down. Like, I'm trying to go catch one. Smoking on say, you know that's the best one. Let it keep riding, we thought he was gonna get some cat. Now you wanna put the beam on his back. Who ops got shot, let's get into that. Margin, J-Blick, perfect time. No, I ain't coming to play. Yeah, I'm coming to stay and I put it on bro. Say nah, but he could've hit shit. So I can say I can't give you the details. Why this good chop, I heard his he fell. Straight OG's ass like a female. On the phone talking to her oppies. Wearing them out, she gave him the drop quick. Bird that home up in the mouth stick. I'm the shit, so you know I'm a pop shit. Out of time. Next time feeling looking for a run, we gon' go for gun or head for head. Like VS the feed, that's me. She the lock, I think she she. Tryna think walk around a minute, VC out, we gon' hook a roll, kill a BTV. I've got star, all the creeps, can that be twice the fuck is a G? I know how to fight, but I'm telling my G. I stay in the fight, you can change the speed. The dog can't come in, I don't see me. Moving for the creepers, ready to eat. Shut it down like a shit, what's the turn to be? Face ain't felt. me right, stop bitching and popping, won't make it lose. Try to run those shots, push up the bitch for the bull, nigga, watch what you do. And in the pain, y'all really just block it, watch the bull, this not shit. Flip, flip. Box on person get filled on him late night, the goose gon' swallow his dick. Why they get hype with his box on flick for a deep truth, that's what you going for. I got multiple shit, I was trooping on feet. I got 9 in the Jeep, but it don't do my crew. I got most of the boy who was ducking at you.